Motor Trend on site here for the 2023 SEMA show in Las Vegas. I'm hanging out with Hankook Tires product specialist Robert Nasca as we take in the day here at SEMA, and I want to go straight to it with you. Why do you feel that EV users should specifically use EV tires?
EV users should use EV specific tires because of the technology and the performance that is needed from these type of vehicles.
Some of the biggest differences between the Hankook EV tire and an ICE tire?
Okay, so some of the differences that we're going to have is going to be the sidewalls. Our sidewall's actually going to be a little bit stiffer, and you're going to need that with the EV vehicle. Then we're also going to have a better tread design and also a better compound. And this compound is actually going to be able to help with the heaviness of the tire, but also the long range that you're going to need in the tire itself.
Robert, how does the Hankook iON tire differ from other EV tires we see in the market?
One of the great things about Hankook, we've actually been in the OE EV market since 2017. So we've actually been able to make a brand new family with the iON line. So one of the differences between us and some of our competitors is we're actually going to have a stiffer sidewall, and that's going to help with the weight of the vehicle itself, especially when you're going into turns. You're going to have a lot of that weight that's going to be on the sidewall itself. So we're going to have better lateral stability when you're taking those turns. And then we're also going to have a foam insert that's going to help with the noise that goes into the cabin itself. And then of course we have our knurling or our zigzag pattern that's going to be on the tread design.
When we talk about one of the conversations within the EV tire market, it's about that battery weight. What can the Hankook do to mitigate that?
So the weight actually has been a big deal. But one of the things that we're doing actually now is actually with the curing process of it, we actually do an optimized curing process when we actually make or bake the tire itself. And so that's actually going to help give it a better footprint or contact patch onto the road itself. So it's going to help not only with the longevity of the tire, but it's also going to be a help with the range of the battery as well.
Now that we talk about that, the other buzzword in the market is noise. What do you guys do?
Well, with the noise, we do a couple of different things. One thing that we do, we actually have an inner liner that's going to go on the inner side of the tire itself, and then we also have a knurling or a zigzag design that's on the tread.
Why Hankook tires?
Listen, we're a fantastic company. It's been around since the 1940s. We are a Korean company with great American roots and also a drive and a passion for performance. And so with our research and development, there's no stopping us.
Well, Robert, you guys have one of the most dynamic spots here at the SEMA show. How did you snag this spot?
You know, everybody wants to learn about Hankook. Everybody wants to see Hankook tires. So that's one reason why we're able to get this fantastic spot.